Hey guys, I'm gonna unbox and test out a new camera from Lingdu. It's a dash cam, it's smart driving, it's got GPS, it's 5K, but I'm thinking this is more for off-roading. If you guys have been following my channel, you know this is my fourth different dash cameras that I'm actually gonna test. And after this one, I'm gonna do a install unbox of this one, and then the next one will be I'll break down each one and let you guys know what I think if I have a fan. The camera, it's very nice, very sleek. It's only one direction, so it's just on the front, so I'll just put this on my windshield. One thing I learned from my last camera, these little things, you stick it on the window so that way you can easily pull these off if you want to move them later. Relation book, a little trimmer, a little plastic trimmer, so if you want to hide the wires. And I'm not doing that because I've already set this up. I hard lined it into my battery, and I'm on a switch, so I don't need this, but it's nice to have. It does have a cord, USB cord. It goes from the camera. This is a cigarette lighter. So again, I don't need this because I hardlined it to my battery on the camera, but it does have a micro SD card just on the side. So you just pull that out, put that into your computer. All right, so get out this clear plastic. Get out my camera. There we go. Alright guys, I wasn't sure if there was an app for this, but there is. I'm going to download it. But I'm just gonna go ahead, we'll drive around. I wanna see how the picture is. Sweet, alright, I'll go back. I will just download the card and we'll see how the footage is. Alright guys, so here's some of the footage of my first test run, and I gotta say I like the way it came out. Super high quality. I'm gonna probably use this for a lot of off-roading. I like the colors and all that, and I like that you can go up to 5K. It's got great night vision. You can use a 256 gig card, which is crazy. So check it out. The product is called Lingdu, and this is the LD06 dash cam. Has Wi-Fi, GPS, and thanks guys. Thanks for watching, and please like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Fergie, thejku.com for more discounts and codes. Thanks all.